Imagine the wind rushing through your hair, the open highway stretching out before you, and the spirit of freedom enveloping you. Welcome to the Great American Road Trip, a journey that begins in the frothy surfs of the Atlantic, sweeping through the bluegrass fields of the Midwest, all the way to the golden sunset of Pacific. Let's put the pedal to the metal and embark on the 6 exciting minutes that capture the essence of the American heartland. As we hit the road, be prepared to be seduced by the allure of charming small towns that will captivate you with their unique stories and friendly locals. Marvel at the choice landmarks that have stood tall and proud through America's illustrious history. Enjoy the scenic beauty of our meandering byways, the verdant green valleys, and the high mountain peaks that boast of America's diverse geology. 6 minutes may not seem like a lot, but strap in tightly. Our journey is about to whisk you through the incredible beauty of America, a trip